We are here to clear the air of the insinuation that has been going on about the impeachment of the deputy governor. And today, I want to let the Edo people know that there was nothing of such. I am the presiding officer of the House of Assembly. I control the gavel. There was no time that the governor has called me to inundate me to say there must be an impeachment against the deputy governor. I think that is a rumor from the pit of hell. I want to let Edo people know today that tomorrow the governor has not called me to say this must happen, the impeachment must happen. Next tomorrow is coming. I don't think he's going to say that to us. Because when I approached the governor, he told me, what is the impeachment for? What has the deputy governor done that they want to impeach him? There nothing like that. On my own, I also called the deputy governor to say, these are rumors. Please associate yourself with this kind of a rumor. The governor has no such plan. Today, I want to let Edo people know that what has been going on about the impeachment is just mere rumor. The governor has no such plan today, tomorrow, and forever.
I want to thank the Speaker and members of the House of Assembly for this courtesy cause stroke solidarity visit. And to just follow up with what Mr. Speaker said, that there's so much work to be done, and we therefore, as much as possible, should resist any distractions. I believe, and you will agree with me, that so much work is being done in Edo. And what the world should be hearing about are the positive things that are going on in the state. Not news about people making trouble or crisis in Edo. There's no crisis. No crisis in government. There's no crisis with the House of Assembly. So those who benefit from creating crisis, causing crisis, and reporting crisis should not be given an opportunity here. What should be of concern to us today is the crisis of the failure of federal roads in our states, which is almost incapacitating the state, and we are not able to move, or you are not able to go back to your various constituencies. That should be the issue of concern to us as Edo people. Whereas we are blessed with an extensive network of federal roads, because of the lack of capacity of the federal government to maintain its roads and assets, and the unwillingness to allow other people to maintain these roads, we in Edo are almost cut off, and the country is almost cut off. I know the challenge most of you face, and I think this is what we must speak about and let our citizens know that we're trying our best. We're going to continue to, as you build our own internal roads, we will look for designs for new alignments to get out of this grid that we have, and so that we can grow the economy of our states. We're doing as well as we can. Things that are under our control, we are making substantial progress